SACOME is part of an innovative European project for waste-to-energy recovery. We have designed and manufactured all tubular heat exchangers involved in the system. This includes high-performance gas-to-water exchangers, built for 550 degrees Celsius operation, with 1,200 mm diameters, 300 square meters of heat transfer area, and 4,000 kilowatts of thermal capacity. The project also features multi-stage condensers for product recovery, with over 600 square meters of surface area. Auxiliary exchangers are integrated into the plant's cooling circuit. All equipment is made from austenitic stainless steels, selected for product compatibility. The design is optimized to reduce footprint and pressure drop, and has been validated under various operating scenarios. A project that reflects SACOME's commitment to precision engineering and energy efficiency.